We are in Hawks Prairie area in this highly desirable Meridian Campus community. Welcome to 4433 Cashmere Drive here in Lacey. Built in 2006, this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath Northwest contemporary home offers an impressive 3,067 square feet of living space on a 5,060 square foot lot, complete with a 2-car garage, owned solar panels, and a highly desirable main floor primary suite. From the moment you arrive, you'll appreciate the home's timeless curb appeal and welcoming presence. Step inside to a soaring ceiling, abundant natural light, and an elegant formal dining room that creates an impressive first impression. Fresh interior paint and quality finishes throughout make this home truly move-in ready. Designed for both everyday living and entertaining, the open concept floor plan centers around the spacious kitchen, generous cabinetry, abundant counter space, and the comfortable breakfast nook. The kitchen flows effortlessly into the inviting living room, where a cozy gas fireplace creates the perfect gathering place for family and friends. The thoughtfully designed layout offers the convenience of a private main floor primary suite, creating comfortable single-level living while maintaining separation from the additional bedrooms. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, a full bath, and a spacious bonus room that easily adapts as a media room or home office, maybe playroom, fitness space, or guest retreat. It's a floor plan designed to evolve with your lifestyle. Step outside to a fully fenced backyard and private patio, ideal for entertaining, outdoor dining, or simply enjoying a quiet evening. The home's owned solar panel system helps improve energy efficiency and lower utility costs, providing benefits you'll appreciate for years to come. Beyond the property, Meridian Campus offers beautifully maintained parks, playgrounds, athletic courts, sidewalks, and scenic walking trails, creating a true sense of community and an active Northwest lifestyle. If you've been searching for a home that combines over 3,000 square feet of flexible living space, an exceptional floor plan, energy-efficient features, and one of Lacey's most desirable communities, 4433 Cashmere Drive Northeast is a home you won't want to miss. So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call. This is Beverly Auffray of eXp Realty, the fastest growing real estate company in the world.